Today I'm talking about anchor babies, the real story. We hear a lot from politicians, from the media, about this notion, this phrase called anchor babies. Well, what exactly are anchor babies? What does the term mean? Well, the term is often used as a way to describe a foreign national, typically someone who's undocumented, who has a child here in the United States, supposedly for the purpose of anchoring the parent here in the U.S. But that's not really the case, and that's not how it works in our immigration laws. So for example, a foreign national has been living illegally in the United States, and they have a baby here. Politicians would call that the anchor baby. But the truth of the matter is that the fact that the baby is born here does not provide any legal benefit for the foreign national parent. So if the foreign national parent has a baby here, does that change anything about the foreign national's legal status? The answer is no. Now what can happen is when that child grows to be an adult and turns 21, that child could then file a petition for their parent. But there's no law allowing the parent to stay in the United States until the child turns 21. There's absolutely no benefit to the parent as a result of having a child born in the United States, except 21 years later. Now, the other thing is there is a defense to deportation if someone has lived illegally in the United States for at least 10 years and is otherwise qualified. If they happen to have a baby that's a U.S. citizen, that may provide the basis for them to be able to stay in the United States. But there's quite a number of other things they need to satisfy, other requirements in addition to having a child born in the United States. And again, no immediate benefit unless perhaps they're in deportation proceedings and they happen to have a child that's born in the United States.